So in this session, we will look into now function that is used in DWL. Now function is nothing but a function which will return you the date and the time. For the now function, we can see the date as well as the time. Towards the end, we can see it is Z, which means that it is in zero time zone, which means that it is in UTC. So if you want to convert that to a particular time zone, say IST, you can use this particular format. Okay, so if you see here the time, it is showing 4:25, which is near to my time. So if I refresh it, we see now the time is 4:27, which is the exact time. Okay, so now we will look into formatting the date and the time. Okay, now function we can write now as date, then the format. Okay, so this is the date, then the month, then the year. So the output is 01/01/2023. So today it is January 1st. So it is written as 01/01/2023. If you want to write the month as Jan, we can use three capital N's. If you want to write the day, then I can give E. So if you see here, it is Sunday. So it is giving us sun. If you want to write the entire month, then you can give 4M. So if you see here, it is January. Okay. Likewise, if you want to convert the time to 12-hour format, we can give A at the end. So this is an UTC. So there the time is 10:57 a.m. Now we will look into how we can add a time period to the now function. Okay. So if you want to add a particular time period, in this case, I have added 2 years, 9 months, and 10 days. Okay. So the output is 2025, which is 2 years from now, then 10, which is the month and the date, which is 11th, then the time. If you want to add time, then we can give PT2H within two pipe symbols. Okay, so we have added 2 hours to the UTC time zone. So if you want to get only the year or month or day or hour or minutes or seconds, we can use now dot year, month, day, hour, minute, second. So basically it is listing out the year, which is 2023, month, which is January, that is 1, then the date, that is 1, then the hour, 59, and the minute and the second. Okay, that's it.